Hey guys, welcome to the channel The Tech Bros. After this video, you will be able to change background of image like this to this in 3 easy steps without any apps. For that, I suggest you 3 websites. The third in the list is removebg.com. Open the site, you will find upload image option. Select it and select the image that you need to change background of. The site will automatically remove its background and you can download it in PNG format. The quality is okay, but the background is removed perfectly. After signing, you can download HD images. The second site is removal.ai. The steps are much similar. Click choose photo option. Upload the image. The site will automatically remove its background. You can download the image in PNG format and the quality is good. My number one recommendation is photoshop.adobe.com. Open the site and select upload file option. Select the image. After uploading, choose remove background in editing option. After a few seconds, the background will be removed and you can set different background for the image. And you can download the image in both PNG and JPG format in different quality. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Then share with your friends if you find this helpful.